Joins. Hello everyone. Welcome to the second part of joins. So I hope you have gone through the first part. In the first part, what we have seen, Cartesian product. So let us recall it very quickly. These were the two tables, one table and two table. So if we want to have Cartesian, what we type? There are two syntax. Select star from one cross join two. So it will give you Cartesian. Okay, 24 rows. Another syntax of the same is select star from 1 comma 2. The answer will be same 24. Okay, so it is your choice which method you want to use. This is Oracle internal method which may not run in other type of software, but this is ANSI syntax which is common across all SQL products. This is the only difference. Both run in SQL, both give the same output. Now let us come back to join. So what we have seen in join, that a join is a Cartesian product followed by a condition. Okay, so it means whenever you perform a join, first of all in RAM, Cartesian is performed by query processor. So there are different type of joins: equijoin, natural join, inner join, or you can call it as non-equijoin, outer join, self join. We will see them. First of all, equijoin. Equijoin means you are joining on the basis of some equality condition. Let us see again these two tables. This is 1, this is 2. Now suppose, see what you can see from this data is very important. This ABC student is having two hobbies. This DEF student is having one hobby. MNO is having two hobbies. So what is happening? You cannot see complete information from one table, which means city is in one table and hobbies are in second table. So what you want? You want to see the information collectively, as if they are in single table. Please note the word add if. As if means they will not be in the same table, but the output will be displayed to the user as if they are in the same table. This is what the use of join is. So what I will type, select star from 1 comma 2. I will follow the same Oracle internal proprietary syntax. Now, first of all, just try to run this. What will come? Yes, Cartesian will come. Now what you can see is that ABC has a pairing with the second table all records. It means the first record of this table will have pairing with all. You can see ABC, ABC, ABC song. So what you can notice is that this portion is coming from one table and this portion is coming from two table. So if you analyze this, see, it is very important thing that we are going to understand. If you analyze this, when the name is ABC in this section and the name is ABC in this section, so cricket is actually the hobby of ABC. Okay, similarly when it is ABC and it is also ABC, so song is the hobby of ABC. But since, now you listen carefully, again this same ABC, when there is ABC but it has pairing with this GHI painting, so it comes out to be ABC, Dehradun and GHI. So here name is ABC, here name is GHI, so this is an invalid record. Are you getting? So this record is not required. So what are the useful record? The useful record are those where this name and this name is same, and this name belongs to 1 and this name belongs to 2. So what we want? We want to extract only useful record out of these 24 record. So how many records are useful? See, these two. Secondly, this one where DEF is same. Next, this one MNO, MNO, and last GHI. So out of 24 records, only 6 are of use. So what we will do? We will now convert this Cartesian into join so that our useful records are displayed. So what I will do? I will type select star from 1 comma 2 where. Now what where? Where name equals to name. Now you can very well understand it is a little bit confusing. What name equal to name? So see what will happen? Error will come. Column ambiguously defined. Please make sure and understand that whenever you are joining on the basis of some equi condition, if the column names are same, then Oracle will give you error because Oracle cannot decide you are talking about which name column. Is this name column or this name column? So you will have to tell the name of the table. So you will have to write it again. What you will type? Where? Yes, 1 dot name is equal to 2 dot name. Now you can see. Now, very important concept. What you can see, now the output has come as a single table. So instead of seeing data from two tables, we cannot see it from a single table. That ABC Dehradun has a hobby of cricket, ABC Dehradun has a hobby of songs, GHI has a hobby of painting, MNO has painting and skating, and DF has a skating. So what you can, one more thing you can notice and say, sir, this is duplicate. Yes, this is duplicate because both the columns belong to different table. This can be removed. We will see it later on how it can be removed. One explicitly and one implicitly. But I would like to clear one thing here, very important. This, the output which you are seeing here, is just for screen. When user will see it in front end, this duplicate C will not be there. Okay, this because you will code it in program, and in programming you will remove all this duplicate values. So why it is coming here? Because we are directly working to database. User will never work into the database directly. It will always use front end. So as a programmer, you will code it in this way that this will not be repeated, shown again and again and again, like ABC, 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 Dehradun, two times will not be displayed. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Let me show you with another example. So in a real world scenario, what will happen? Let us see the case of an example. See, this is our old front end which we are seeing. You can see there is a category, and in their category there are number of products. So when you see it in front end, there are many products in confectionery, but confectionery is displayed only once. Okay, so this is how it is done in front end. See, if you see it in table, multiple time you will see name, 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 ABC, ABC. But when you convert it into a front end interface, repetition is eliminated. So at the back end, still this is coming through join, and multiple time confectionery, 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 and the name of the product will be displayed, but user will see it in this way. I hope this is very clear to you that this is just a DBMS output. In real life, user never sees this output. User will see through front end. Okay, let us move ahead. So what has happened? This is an example of what? This is an example of equi join. Okay, now let us see this example in ANSI syntax. In ANSI syntax, it is called as natural join. Now see, if I ask you a question that to make a join between these two tables, what is the thing which is required in both? You can very well answer common column. So a join can be performed when there is something common column. But common column doesn't mean spelling should be same. Common column means the values on the basis of which it is to be done should be same. Of course, most of the time the name is also same, but it is not compulsory, that we will see very soon. So the common thing is name. And what we have applied, that 1 dot name is equal to 2 dot name. We are doing join on the basis of equality. So this is a natural instinct that On the basis of common field, the join will be performed. The same logic is used in natural join. See, now I will type select star from one natural join 2. Now, please note an important difference. In this answer, I have not specified which column to use and what condition is to be used. Now, the word natural says it all. Natural means naturally on the basis of a common column it will be done, and what the condition will be applied? Equality will be applied. So obviously this is a natural join. So you will see same 6 number of rows, but one other difference you will see. Now see, although the same record have come, but what is the difference? Yes, this name is not coming twice. This is another benefit of natural. This name was coming here 2 times. It was creating a little bit of confusion. But here in natural join, it is coming only once. So natural join is useful when you are sure that one thing, that the name of the column in both the table is same, and secondly you want to eliminate duplicacy of a column, then you can use natural join. But if the column names are not same, natural join cannot be used. Okay, it will give some different kind of answer that we will very soon see. Okay, so please make sure that you have understood this, note it down in the copy, and please do make notes out of it. Let us see one more example of our same. Select star from department, select star from employee. Now what you can see is, in this case the same thing is there, and we want to see the details of employee department in front of the employee. So what we want a common thing in between them. So common thing, as you can see now, please listen very carefully. In this case, the common thing was name column. So in this table, the common thing is department code, but the spelling is different. See, here the spelling is D code, and here the spelling is DPP. So as I have told you, in join, it is not necessary that the name of the column should be same, but the domain should be same. Domain means this values. Now let us try to run this query using a natural join. Select star from department natural join EMP. What will happen? Just guess what will happen. Of course, just now we have seen that on the basis of common column, the value which are matching, 40 is matching with this, the answer will come. But for your surprise, see the answer. The answer is 66. Now, instead of performing a join, it has performed a Cartesian. Now, why? Please understand that natural join can be performed only if the joining column is having the same name. This thing should be very clear to you. So it means if the joining column name is not same, you cannot use natural join. You will have to use explicitly equi-join. Okay. So what we will change? We will change something like this. Select star from employee, comma department, where now we'll have to give the name. But since the column name are different, we can skip the table name. So what we can type, where dpt is equal to d code. Now you can see the complete information is visible. One which was not visible here. Just to recall you again, what we want to see, we want to see the name of the Kumar department. So 1 Kumar 40, 40 was packing. It was not displayed, but when you perform join, you can see 1 Kumar 40 packing. As you can see, whenever there is 10, 10 sales, 10 sales, 30 production, 30 production, 30 production is coming. Again, the same thing is happening. D code is coming 2 times because it is not a natural join. Currently, it will come later in the next tutorial we will see how to remove this also. Okay, so now this is only for screen, and we will change it in again front end. When you will use it in front end, something like this, we will suppress this. Okay, I hope you have understood. So this is an example of another equijoin. So equijoin can be performed only when the column natural join can be performed only when the column name is same. Otherwise, you will have to perform equijoin. Okay. Now we can give the table name also. There is no issue. What we can type? We can type something like this, where emp.dpt is equal to department dot decode. Although it is a good practice to do this, but you can ignore it sometimes. But if you will keep the practice, it will be better. So again, it will work. No issues. Okay. Now let us see how it has. Let me explain you once how it has done. We know that when you perform a join, first of all, Cartesian is performed. So let us see its Cartesian. Now suppose if I type only this one, what will happen? This is the example of Cartesian. This output has come. Now you can very well see that what is the output? This is the output. So what has happened? One Kumar has a pairing with 10, 20, 30, 40 all. You can see one Kumar is pairing with 10, one Kumar has pairing with 20, one Kumar has pairing with 30, one Kumar has pairing with 40, and so on. So what you can see is, now up to here the data is coming from employee table, and from here the data is coming from this department table. Okay, in this Cartesian. Okay, up to here from employee table, and from here. So what we have done, what you can see now, listen very carefully. One Kumar 40, it has come from here. So when here it is 10, 10 is not the department of Kumar. So whenever you have to see that record where you can find 40 at both the places. Here you can find. Here you can see when you have one Kumar 40, here also it is 40. So then the name of the Kumar department is packing. So what condition we have to apply? I hope you have understood that we have to apply wherever this value is equal to this value. You have to extract the records from this 66 records. Okay. So in this join, we have applied the same. Similarly, you can see when 3 Rohit 10. So whenever there is 3 Rohit 10, 3 and there is also 10. So sales is the department of Rohit. So what we have to match? We have to match the equality of these two columns. Therefore, same thing we have given here. Select star from employee comma department where dpt equal to decode. This is what we called as equijoin. Okay, I hope you have understood. Please make note, practice it, and then we will see the third part of this tutorial. Thank you very much.